This house has 4 lines of gestation crates, totaling 300 units. The customer replaced all gestation crates, lighting lines, and feeding lines, added customized hospital pens. Ejoy's technical engineers and installation workers measure crate positions and assemble on-site. All crates are hot-dip galvanized. All feeders are long continuous SS304 feeders. Long continuous feeders are fabricated using on-site TIG welding. The drinking system features customized SS304 water pipes and drinking nipples. Please view the Swan Farm renovation results.